This past month, the Supreme Court, which is majority conservative, has issued 4 incredibly important and liberal rulings. The first of which protects gay and transgender individuals from workplace discrimination. The second prevented the Trump administration from ending DACA. The third struck down a Louisiana law that would have made it much harder for women to get abortions. And just recently, the Supreme Court ruled that states can punish electoral college voters that stray away from the state's popular vote, greatly reducing the power that the electoral college has. How is this possible? The answer is an incredibly simple yet extraordinarily powerful concept in American politics, and a concept that I don't think most people fully understand. And the answer is precedent. Simply put, precedent encompasses anything that has already been established. So this includes all laws, all generally accepted political customs, and all prior court rulings. And precedent is the most important factor when a Supreme Court justice makes their decision. A judge's job is not to make rulings based on what they think is the right or wrong thing to do. A judge's job is to make rulings that uphold the law, uphold established precedent, and that is why precedent is so important. Now, of course, the ideology of a Supreme Court justice will play an important role, and this is because a conservative judge is more than likely going to interpret the law differently from a liberal judge. But in cases where precedent is very clear, the judge, no matter their ideology, has a duty to uphold precedent. And with this understanding of how important precedent is when it comes to the courts, it's much easier to see why a conservative Supreme Court has issued 4 liberal rulings over the past month. And if you read the decisions from the conservative judges that sided with the liberals, the main reason they did so was because of precedent. In the LGBTQ case, Justice Gorsuch, a conservative Trump appointee, sided with the liberals not because he was championing transgender or gay rights, but because he felt that the precedent that you are not allowed to discriminate based on sex applied in this case. In the Louisiana abortion case, Chief Justice Roberts sided with the liberals not because he's pro-choice, far from it, he's a pro-life conservative, but because he felt that Roe v. Wade established a clear precedent that you are not allowed to restrict the right of women to get an abortion. And once again, with the DACA decision, Justice Roberts sided with the liberals because he felt that the Trump administration did not follow the proper procedure in order to end DACA. Like I said, Roberts is a conservative. He did not decide this case to defend dreamers. He decided this case to uphold precedent. And now you understand the power of precedent. Just these few cases are already affecting millions of Americans, just like the countless cases throughout U.S. history that were decided on precedent that have had monumental effects on our everyday lives. And if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description of a list of landmark Supreme Court rulings that established major precedent. And yeah, that's about it. This was a much different video than I usually do. Let me know how you like the sort of style of me giving a sort of educational background in the context of current events. I had a lot of fun making this video. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.